Hi, I'm Mike. We see a lot of water-cooled power cable failures come through our shop. Symptoms of the power cable construction failures, unfortunately, are not usually visible until after the failure happens. Problem is, you steel makers and maintenance professionals can't see the problem from the outside. With teardown comes the evidence, and our experience shows construction failures most often occur due to poor wire bundling and improper design of the core hose and insufficient coolant flow. Signs of poor conductor bundling are usually premature wire breakage and damage to the internal core hose. And the best cable designs are tight, secured wire bundles that do prevent excessive chafe and friction during electrical cycling and physical movement. Copper conductors forming the wire package are bundled to create the most efficient geometry for bend radius and to maximize electrical efficiency, and in effect, minimizing power loss and optimum cable life. Telltale signs of weak core construction is the use of soft, low durometer rubber hose of weak construction that often collapse and offer little structural support. Additionally, perforations cut or drilled into the core hose to allow coolant further weaken the cable core, reducing electrical efficiency and the integrity of the wire package. Without proper coolant flow, conductors can become embrittled and in the worst case can catastrophically melt. A number of well-designed approaches to good core engineering exist. We recommend installing and securing high-temperature engineered plastic wedges at the end of the core hose to uniformly force coolant around the conductor. And our advice when it's time to schedule power cable repair and/or replacement, confirm with your supplier that a proper core design is carefully considered. Contact us at I2r POWER for more about crafting your high current power transmission bus or cable for your melting or heating applications.